Furious Gold, what is it and how does it work? I've got several examples here I want to show you today. I want to talk about them, and then I'm going to show you how to use them. Furious Gold is one of the most popular unlocking boxes at the moment. They've been going on for several years now. I think it's like 2006, something like that, when they came out. And first it was like universal box, basic unibox like this, and you get your license file, and then you could use this. So you could put a USB port here for power, or to use with this port here, or serial cable here and use with this port. It was very good because you had a F bus, M bus switch here, so you could use it for like homemade programs and things like that. M bus works on Nokia phones, so you could do some modding and other things with it, like unlock Bosch phones and stuff like that. And then they released this model here. This was the gold model. Before it was just called Furious, and then they released Furious Gold, which is this one. Same stuff, 5-volt switch here at the back, USB port there, M bus, F bus. The interesting thing about this one, it had a screen here. Let me show you how that works. Yeah, had the running LCD saying Furious Box. The camera flickers a little bit, but in real life it's much nicer than that to look at. Okay, and then they had this bling bling version, which only had one port. You could still use USB and serial, but it would be automatically switched to just one port. And then you had here your USB hub, so you don't waste a USB port on your computer with this USB cable here. You have a hub here. This Nokia charger port here was if you needed extra power for unlocking a phone, plug that in there. I'll show you how this one works. So here you can see which channel is set to, F bus, M bus. You hold that down and it switches. You got your 5-volt pin here for unlocking if you need power there for the operation. Just hold that down. And you got 5-volt power. And here you got the LEDs for TX, RS, so you can see them flicker when the operation is going on. Then this is the current model, plastic one. Same thing, USB. They got rid of the serial port. People don't really use that anymore. Still got the extra power port there. See, that's the power there. USB hub here. Got 2 virtual serial ports. You got a switch here for the voltage. So the first one is 0 volt for power here. Then you got 3 volt, 3.3 and 5 volt. That's what that is for. So depending on what you want to unlock, you can set the voltage there. And then so this one didn't have the license or card inside of it. This one has a built-in card. You can, if you open this, it actually has a stick with your license inside. So does this, and so does this one. You can actually see it on this one. Where is it? It's right here. See that? It's like a USB stick. You can see it over there. That's holding your license. And you could also buy just the dongle, this one. So this has your license key on there, so you didn't have to buy a box, because all of these have universal pinouts here. So if you owned one of these, or Octopus, Z3X, any box with universal ports, you could just buy this and use the other box. You didn't have to buy a Furious box as long as you had the license. Okay, now let me show you how the program works. So the thing with Furious is the unlocking programs come in packs. I think there are 12 in total, 12 different packs. And once you buy them, unless you buy the light version, which is cheaper, once you buy them, you have them forever. They're yours to use. The problem is a box or a dongle can only hold 3 packs at a time. So if you have 12 packs, you can have, say, look, for example, this one, on it has pack 1, 2, and 7. This box had active on it also pack 4, 5, 6, and 8. The thing is, to put the other packs on the box, you need to have an active maintenance license, right? So if you want to use a program that is connected to pack number 3, you need to put pack number 3 inside the box through the maintenance program. But if your maintenance license is not active, you cannot do that. And let me show you how. So this one only has a pack 4 on it, I believe. So let's plug this in and I'll show you what happens. Okay, so we have a Furious program here. I'm gonna blur out the serial number and all of that stuff. So you need a maintenance program right here, this one. So let's start that. If your maintenance license has been expired for a long time, right, so you can see here packs programmed on dongle pack number 4. Okay, to put other packs on it, you hit here program box packs. See, there's oh, it's actually 14 packs. Yeah, so you click on the packs that you want to put. Says here generally not more than 3, so you have to only take 3 boxes. And if you try to put these packs on it and you don't have a maintenance license, let's see what happens. It says device is banned, contact reseller or support for details. Your device is not banned, it's just the fact that you don't have a license, and that's what it says. The minute you buy a license or another pack, you can use this for, I think it's a year or a year and a half. Okay, so this one has pack 4. If you have multiple boxes like this one, like I have here, you could buy, say, pack 1, 2, 3 on this, then 4, 5, 6 on this, and so on and so forth. So once you have different packs on different boxes, in theory you could use it without buying a maintenance license. The maintenance is not that expensive. It's like I think it's like $70 a year. See, this one has all the packs here. Well, it's got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8 on it, and this one's got 2 and 7. Right, so let me show you how it works on a box with a valid license. Let's close this one and unplug the dongle and plug this one, because this one's active. I have an active license on this, so let's try that. Yep, Let's see in the maintenance. She's got packs 3, 5 and 6 on it at the moment. So let's say we want packs 3, 4 and 5. Say execute. And I was gonna start rewriting the packs on this one. Okay, so that's all done. Now it has packs 3, 4 and 5 on it. Okay. If you have an active maintenance license, it also means you have access to all the files, all the updates, and you do that by clicking here. Go to Furious support area. You can start your browser. Okay, let's see. Right. You can see here expiration expires in July of next year. So if you click here on packs, it shows you all the packs that you own. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 8. Light version, if you don't have light version, as I said, it means it never expires, so you can use it forever. It says here expiration date, which they expired, but no, that's not true. You can still use it. And here, if you have an active license, you have downloadable files. So you can go there, and you have drivers, maintenance, all the packs, everything you need here. Flash files, got 10 terabytes of flash files. That's a lot. Okay. Now, let me show you what happens if you try to use a box without an active license, like this one. Put that here. So I go to maintenance. Yeah, it's gonna say again that the device is banned. We're not worried about that. Let's try and go to the support area with this license. And you're going to be taunted with a message here. It says, for the past 18 months, a year and a half, you used and took advantage of our updates without paying a dime, blah, blah, blah. So basically saying you don't have a license. We're not going to let you download anything from here. So you see here, $70 for 1 year, and they will let you download whatever you want from here. You can see here the download section does not appear because you don't have a valid license. You can see this one had pack 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 11 on it, and right now it has pack 1, 2 and 7 on it, so I can't use the other ones because it doesn't let me, right? It says the device is banned, but I can still use packs 1, 2 and 7, and let me show you how that works. So let's close this. Pack 1, you see here. So as long as you have a box with with the pack that you want to use programmed on it, the program does not check if you have a valid license or not. It just checks if your box has that pack programmed on it. So pack 1 is on the box, so you can use it here. This is for Alcatels. See, no error, nothing. You choose your COM port. let's see which one. To see which COM port it is, you go to device manager, hardware, right, so let's see down here, ports, Furious Gold driver, COM port 38, so I choose 38 and hit to job. See the light flash is there, means it's searching for the phone, so it's working fine without an active license. If you try to use the program with a Furious device that does not have pack 1 on it, as I said, let's see here, it says applet 1 not found, update using the correct package. So that's basically it. It's pretty straightforward. It's a very good tool to have. As I said, if you have many of these, you can have just put different packs on each one of them, and once you have that set up, you don't have to buy a license if you don't want to, and it's a very good tool to have. It's very useful. It works great. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching.